Hey Health Nuts, my name's Nikole and today I'm doing another recipe swap. Today I have Megan from the Healthy Grocery Girl, and I've actually known Megan for years. Like, I remember interviewing her on one of her cookbooks like years ago. If I can find a clip of that, I'll insert it now. Basically, Megan is a registered dietitian. She is a soon-to-be mom of 2. Crazy. She is very pregnant right now, but glowing and beautiful, and she's like mom goals. She actually has a mom podcast. I'll link it down below. She has wellness courses and plans on her website, and basically she just shares a ton of amazing plant-based healthy recipes on her YouTube and website, and I just love her recipes. They're very simple and clean, and they're just really yummy too. I've tried many of her recipes before. They're delicious, and I know in today's video I'm gonna love everything I make. So I've already planned out what I'm making from her website, and oh my God, I'm like drooling already. So good. And I'm really excited for lunch, which I already did my breakfast this morning. It was yummy, but I'm really excited for lunch and I'm hungry. So we're gonna get right in. After you're done watching this video, be sure to check out Megan's video. I will link it down below and at the end. She's gonna be doing a bunch of recipes from my brand new cookbook, the HealthNut Cookbook. It's full of delicious, yummy recipes, lots of plant-based options, as well as some chicken and fish. And it's just a very well-rounded, healthy book, perfect for gift giving now that we're getting to the holidays. But she's gonna be sharing some recipes that she's been eyeing in this book. So stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Smoothie is done. This is the creamy orange turmeric smoothie. It's so good. It's very fresh. Unlike the typical green smoothies I usually drink, so this is a really nice treat. And it's perfect because it has protein powder in it, and I just finished a little booty Pilates workout. I've been really enjoying the Boho Beautifuls workouts on YouTube. I will link the one I'm doing right now. It's like a booty challenge, so I'm just doing it on days that I'm not going to the gym, just so I'm doing something, but this is perfect. So I'm gonna go enjoy this while I do some work, catch up on emails, get myself ready for the day, and I'll see you guys in a little bit for lunchtime. So this is what Megan likes to call the easiest mac and cheese ever, which I agree because it took like 10 minutes to make. The longest part was just waiting for the noodles to cook. So she uses butternut squash for the cheese, as you guys saw, which I actually have a similar recipe in the cookbook. So great minds think alike, and I already tried the sauce. It's delicious. It's so cheesy. Now, I don't know about you guys, but you know, if I'm gonna have some mac and cheese, I gotta have some. Oh. All right, we're good. No one got ketchup. Oh, it's all on the bottle. Okay, it's good. No one got harmed. So I'm gonna put some ketchup on this. Did you ever do the hot dogs too? Like obviously not very healthy, but sometimes I buy organic, like grass-fed hot dogs and I'll add them into mac and cheese and it's delicious. So I'm gonna try it with some ketchup. So good. You guys need to try this. It was so easy to make and yeah, it's delicious. So I'm actually gonna have all the recipes that I'm mentioning in this video linked down below on Megan's blog. So you guys can grab them and make them for yourself. All right, I'm gonna sit down and eat this. Chloe's gonna have a bowl because she's behind the camera and she's seeing me enjoy this. And we will see you guys for snack time. I'm baking something delicious, so I'm gonna have that for snack time and maybe dessert. So see you in a bit. So just stopping for a little afternoon snack, and I made this orange pumpkin chocolate bread. So kind of like banana bread, but with pumpkin puree, which I kind of like because, no, it's not for you, cashew. Because if you don't have any ripe bananas, this is a great option. And the other thing that Chloe and I really noticed is that, and I don't know if I mentioned this already, but the ingredient list in all of Megan's recipes are so short, like very minimal ingredients, which is really awesome. You know, just making healthy eating super simple, which I love. So I just broke this piece, but it smells incredible. Like the pumpkin pie spice really just kind of fills up the room when you're baking this. Super moist. Then I have some chai Rooibos tea with some oat milk. It's very hot. I've been really back into Rooibos chai. I like it because it's caffeine free, but it still feels like a black tea or something. It's like more of a warming drink that you can have with milk. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this. I'm planning out some future videos. We're filming this Friday for a really cool video that you'll see coming up soon. So I'm just gonna finish enjoying this and do some planning. And I'll see you guys in a bit. It's actually so dark out right now because it's like we're getting into winter and holiday season. The sun's setting by 5 o'clock and it's like almost 4 right now and it's so dark. So I'm gonna eat this and then get started on dinner before it's like pitch black in here. So this is Megan's Make Ahead Veggie Chili. So I guess the idea behind this is that this is a really great meal prep recipe. You guys know I love meal prep recipes. This bowl's very hot. I mean, oh my God, it's so hot. It just came out of off the stove. Okay, I'm gonna use a napkin because it's really hot. I'll take a little bite. So much flavor. Megan likes spices like I do. I add so many herbs and spices to my meals just because like you can add so much flavor without adding extra sugar and salt, and this is delicious. And I just realized I pretty much have eaten plant-based all day. So the lentils almost act as like a fake ground beef, and they give you that hearty, meaty texture without the actual meat, which I love. Great for Meatless Monday. And I just think this is like a really easy recipe to whip up. So I'm gonna have this recipe linked down below as well. And this is gonna wrap up all my meals. All right, there you have it, my recipe swap with Megan from the Healthy Grocery Girl. As I mentioned, her video will be linked down below, as well as in the top right-hand corner for you guys to check out the recipes that she made from my cookbook and just throughout her day. And for anyone new here from Megan's channel, hello, welcome to the HealthNut family. I post here every single week. We vlog on Fridays, so stay tuned for that, and just welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. And if you are interested in picking up a copy of the HealthNut cookbook, I will have a link down below as well. And yeah, like I said, perfect for the holidays, gift giving, self-care for yourself. If you're looking for some yummy, easy recipes, I got you in the cookbook. So thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. It's free. I post every single week. Link will be down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.